Melissa from Nature's Garden. Today we're going to be making cold processed soap using our brand new pink Lilac and Willow fragrance oil. Let's whip it up! Alright, so before we get started with our soap, let's go ahead and talk about the fragrance oil. This fragrance oil literally just came out. Now, I'm very particular about my floral scents, but the pink Lilac and Willow fragrance oil, amazing! You have got to try this fragrance. It performs really, really well in cold processed soap. It's also really good in other applications too. It's very strong and it is the perfect floral for the spring and summer months. So let's go ahead and get started. Of course, we have our pink Lilac and Willow fragrance oil. We've also prepared a couple of colorants that we'll be using. We have a darker pink fragrance oil, and these are a combination of our Fun Soap colorants, our tomato red and our neon pink. And then we have some titanium dioxide in there just to tone the color down a little bit. And then we also have a lighter version of the same combination. And then finally, titanium dioxide. So we're going to be making a cold process soap with 2 shades of pink and a white. So in addition, we're going to top it with some embeds that we've already created. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so now that we have our fragrance oil incorporated, we are going to separate our soap batter. We are going to put 1/4 of our batter into one bowl and 1/4 into the other, and the remainder will be white. So we'll add our lighter pink to our first bowl here. And the remainder of our batter is going to be white, so we'll add our titanium dioxide. And then we'll just stick blend the contents of each of the bowls, starting with our lightest color. And now we are just going to go ahead and combine them. We're going to use about half of the white for our loaf, and we'll keep the remaining to top the soap. All right, now we'll just go ahead and pour it right into our loaf. All right, so the last thing that is left to do is top the soap. We are going to pipe the top. We are using our decorating bag, and we have a round tip, a large round tip. And I find it easier to fill my decorating bag right in the cup, so that is what I have prepared here. We're just gonna let it set up a little bit more before we do that. just add our embeds. All right, so now we will just allow this to set up for about 24 hours and then we'll remove it from the mold. Okay, so now we are ready to cut our soap. And there you are. We will go ahead and let this cure and then it'll be ready to use. And for even more fragrance fun ideas, make sure you check out our website at www.naturesgardencandles.com. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and you like the video. And until next time, we will see you later. Bye, guys.